So a little bit spicy only. A little bit spicy. My food for today, my breakfast, is only 9:45 here in Thailand. Okay, bye bye. Kain tayo. This is what I tried for a change. This one. Okay, let's eat. I ordered. This is what I eat. Okay. So this is the soup and this is the noodle. Okay, so I'm the one who will mix this one. Okay, so we will try all. Hello, what's up? Now I'm eating here in McDonald's again. So now lang ulit ako in McDonald's inside. I'm in here in McDonald's Danok, Thailand. So I eat now. My order is spicy chicken with extra large fries and extra large coke. Okay, so bye bye. Okay, this is my late snacks. Dahil nagutom tayo, kain tayo. Ayan. So this is Max Spicy Chicken. Okay, so this is extra large fries and extra large Sprite, no sugar. And this is my dip, ketchup and chicken sauce. Okay, so let's eat. Kaya kasi pag large lang 15 baht lang yung difference. Extra large na ako. This is the chicken sauce. Tomato.